What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm KO and today we have a long day where we're gonna, actually it's not a long day, it's actually already 5 p.m. But I got a bunch of stuff that I wanted to do that were sneaker oriented. Actually first we're gonna start off because I need my head shaved. We tried to book a Titan, but they were fully booked. So we are gonna get our head shaved at Felipe and Sons. After that, we're gonna pop into Nike Fort because there's a pair of sneakers that has come out and I wanna put them on foot before I make a decision. And then after that, we're gonna go check out all of the sneakers that are launching for All-Star Weekend 2024 and play some hoops with our friends at Nike Basketball. So come along, but we'll start first, get our head shaved. Haircut done, shaved pretty clean. Not bad, not bad. Not great though. It was quite expensive. Not the greatest head shave I've ever gotten. Not the greatest barbershop experience, but passable and in a pinch, and I didn't really have another option. It's a bit pricey, $645 I think for that. Pricey. But I only get haircuts like 2-3 times a year because I cut my head shaving myself a week ago. And when that happens, I need someone else to shave my head for the next time I need to shave it. And as far as barbers go, I would put it at like a 6.5 out of 10. So not great value for your money. I think Titan is probably a better choice. And now we're headed off to Nike to go check out a pair of Pegasus golf shoes that I've been eyeing for a couple of months now, about 2 months. I saw on the Park Access stories that they're available in store, but because it's a new pair and golf shoes are, you know, the performance does matter. So I'm gonna go try them on store and see if they match my golf style. All right, CT and Egg Fiasco mural, looking good, almost 2 years, looking good.
Looking through the store, trying to find the sneaker, getting distracted by these Zoom Vomero 5s. Here they are in monochrome. Vomero 5, a sneaker that I wore extensively last year. Here in a two-tone, so a good place to pick up Vomeros. Super comfortable, Cushlon is awesome, but we're gonna put them down and keep our eyes on the price. We came here for something very specific, and there it is. That is the Nike Air Pegasus 89 Golf NRG. Now, this is a 25-year-old silhouette that they just launched for golf. There's the regular model, but we are here for the special one. Now, every year Nike comes out with a sneaker to celebrate TPC Scottsdale's Waste Management Open, which is a zero-waste, I believe, carbon-neutral sporting event that takes place this weekend every year, and it is kind of the most rock and roll golf event of the year, so deservingly so. It has this very rock and roll wild sneaker for the wild crowds that you get at Waste Management. The recycled and garbage theme definitely present on this sneaker, and I am trying it out with my swing because that's important with a pair of golf shoes. Always try your swing out. They are a little bit stiff, and I did have to go up half a size because they do fit snug, but Nike has put in a zoom unit in the heel to help with all the walking.
Hey guys, how was your run?
Good.
How far was your run?
We did 2 kilometers.
2 kilometers, wow. Sweaty.
And here we are at the courtyard after meeting up with Nika and the kids.
So the answer is yes, I did buy the sneakers. Yeah, they're really nice. They are not true to size, but I like that they're kind of like a community garden, but for golf. And I was really worried that I was gonna run out of, what's up? I was really worried I was gonna run out of sizes because a lot of people were looking at them. So they're a bit stiff the way golf shoes should be, but we'll get to more review, maybe in a simulator, if I can hit up a simulator tomorrow. But in the meantime, the main event, let's shoot some hoops.
Nike's The Courtyard has been open since FIBA World Cup last year and opened the public for completely free. So they've invited us today to come and try out some of the new sneakers for All-Star Weekend. They have almost all the colorways here today, and they invite some people from the media and friends of the brand.
Ano to? Buksan ko ah.
Okay.
Shoes mo? Uy, ano to? Mid-bib?
Oh, hindi. Sis ka.
No number? 98. Ah, birthday mo?
Hindi. 96 ako eh.
This is the GT Hustle 2 ASWE. So All-Star Weekend siya talaga. Inspired ng, ano to? Air More Up Tempo.
Yung kay Pippen.
Yeah, nasuot mo na to.
First time.
Sarap nito sa paa.
Sobrang lambot nung tongues.
AIR.
Solid.
Yeah, actually, the technology on this, grabe. Zoom strobel, and then, is this Cushlon? I think this might be Cushlon. So it's like double ultra cushion. Sarap niya nilaro. Enjoy. All right, we got the names, everyone's names here.
Ano yung dark and light ko?
Aha! That's me!
Dark pareho yan.
Unless i-assign ko yung red na light, di ba?
All right,
Black, dark,
I know that signature. So let's read it. Lebron 21 EP. Ay, sorry, Julo. So all the sneakers here today are for All-Star Weekend. We already saw Keepers GT Hustle 2, and here with my name on it, we see Lebron 21 EP in the Ember Glow Elemental Gold. I already opened it over there, but I'm pretty excited to show you. Oh, first, the Courtyard number 91, and then inside the box, it's a special Lebron flip-top box, and we have the sneakers. Oh wow! Never seen these before. Look at that. Oh nice. Some nice socks as well to wear today. And we got the Lebron 21. That is fancy. Look at that. All right. Is this Cushlon full-length zoom, or is it heel zoom? I'm not sure. We'll look that up. But yeah, we're gonna be able to play in these today. It's a synthetic material, very iridescent, very fancy and shiny. And then it's like kind of like a matcha midsole and outsole. This is the XCR version because it is an EP. So I don't know if this is the same outsole that LeBron's gonna get, but for outdoor purposes and hooping in the Philippines and even wearing day to day, these are perfect. Let's put them on. Definitely true to size. I always like wearing the LeBrons because I feel like they're built for someone my age. LeBron's only a year younger than me, which in itself is kind of amazing that he's doing what he does. Nice, so it's like these fly wire cables. So fly wire is gonna run all the way down to the strobel board and create more mid-foot lockdown. We're gonna see if we can take advantage of some of that. You know, got the runner's not this. We're going to require a little bit of runner's lacing to pull my heel into the back of the shoe. And now they fit really good. A little bit of space here in the front, which is going to be good because as we run around, feet are going to expand. That's right.
So there's a little card inside the box that explains that there is 4-foot zoom that's top loaded and bottom loaded rear foot zoom. And then the whole thing is Cushlon, and there is a little shank plate in the middle that takes a while to break in. In fact, it took about 90 minutes before I really felt that the sneaker was moving with my foot. So after warming up, the games have begun. We played a little mini tournament, very informally, just counted off, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I was with team number 3, and we're just here to play some hoops. Look at this is Nick, what a shot. Whew. Very lucky to have some talented people on the same team with me because I did not have a very good game. I had 0 for 2 shooting. I did have 2 assists and a steal and a rebound throughout the night, but overall not that great. Coach Mariana Lopa of Girls Got Game to Marquis for the finish. And of course, today was about celebrating great sneakers and great sneakers everywhere. And we got a peek at the Book 1, which is my first time to see these in person. All these sneakers, of course, coming out in the next couple weeks for All-Star Weekend. And as Marky makes the free throw, let's talk a bit about the sneakers in the collection. This is the GT Cut 3, which features Zoom X and is inspired by the Jason Kids from, was that early 2000s? And of course, that GT Hustle we saw a little bit earlier. I didn't like this the first time I saw it in pictures, but on foot, they look amazing, and the 3M really dazzles. The KD's very colorful, easy money sniper, colorway, bright colors, probably the brightest colors. But giving it a run for its money is the Ja one. Ja is not playing, but they made a colorway for him because he is an all-star. And this is inspired by Nike's headquarters. The Zoom Freak 5 is inspired by Giannis' relationship with his brother Thanasis. That's why you have the mismatched colorways and Thanasis' number. But if you don't want Thanasis' name on your sneakers, they have a version without it. This is the Takedown the Immorality, and it says thanks for sharing on the back. Great story nonetheless. And we come back to the game in time for my rebound and attempted assist to Echo. An attempted rebound as well, speaking of Thanasis. Anyway, so the game was lots of fun. Thank you so much to Nike Basketball for hosting us for a nice fun game. Everyone had a great time. Woo! What a shot by LA. Catch you next time.